Installation guide for double girder overhead crane. Check the shipping list and packing list. Start installation. Align the main girders according to their connection number. Connect the main girders. Temporarily fix the inner and outer connecting plates at one end of the main girders using bolts. Align the main girders. Tighten the remaining bolts. Install the remaining connecting plates. After connection is complete and verified correct, perform full welding. Measure the gauge distance and connect the other main girder using the same method. Verify the model numbers of the end carriage and main girders. Install according to the connection number on the end carriage and main girders. Install bolts. Install buffers. Install the crane travel motor. Install the reducer gearbox. Tighten bolts diagonally. Add industrial gear oil. Install motor connecting bolts and sealing gaskets. Remove the circlip. Install the gear. Install the circlip. Install the motor. Tighten bolts diagonally. Buckle up the anti-fall chain. Hoist trolley installation. Hoist installation. Secure using bolts. Install the hoist trolley travel motor, same as crane travel motor installation. Buckle up the anti-fall chain. Preparation for cable bracket installation. Install the cable brackets. Install the cable hangers. Install the cable runway. Install the runway joints. Install the cable trolleys. Install the crane electrical control panel. Install the cable. Secure the cable and trolley. The spacing between every two cable trolley should be 2 meters. According to the electrical diagram, correctly connect the cable to the crane control panel. Install the hoist trolley conductive bracket. Install the hoist trolley electrical control panel. Wire the hoist trolley travel motor. Wire the hoist lifting power. Install warning lights and infrared anti-collision sensors. Installation is complete.